Hello, my name is Sam, and welcome to BrainTech. In this video, I will show you how to fix "can't be invited" as a collaborator on Instagram. To start, open your application store in your mobile device. In here, use the search bar and then search for Instagram. Now tap on the Instagram icon, and then in here, you will need to update your Instagram application. Once done updating, the next step is to click on your settings application in your mobile device. Over at settings, this time you will need to scroll down and then go to General. Once in General, tap on iPhone Storage. In here, use the search bar or scroll down, but if you use the search bar, tap on the magnifying glass on the upper right and then search for Instagram. Now tap on it. In here, you will need to offload Instagram application. Once done offloading, this time open and locate your Instagram application in your mobile device. In here, tap on your profile on the bottom right, then click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Once on Settings and Privacy, this time you will need to scroll down. In here, click on Help. Tap on Report a Problem, then tap on the button that says Report a Problem. In here, click on Don't Include and Continue. In here, you'll briefly explain over to Instagram what your problem is. In this case, you can follow what I'm saying over here, or you can take your time and type in your very own words. Go ahead, do it now. Once done, click on Send. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.